Sunday. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Stir Taste Adjust if you're new here. This is the corner where our passion is made edible. This is a sea moss drink and I'll be making it for you today. This version right here have a variety of texture, flavoring, and guys, it is very creamy. Guess what? This drink will not only fill your belly, but your body will thank you for all the benefits that's included in this one jar. My husband is very new to sea moss. The last time I made a version with molasses and all them good as ingredients here, guys, this was the result. I'm gonna have my husband taste it. Hi, honey. Taste it. Over the years about what he can do.
It's bitter, got a funny aftertaste.
So today I'm just gonna play it safe and play it very simple. These are some of the ingredients that I'm using. So I'm using a gold rum, which is a Caribbean style rum. I'm using vanilla, of course. I might add salt just to boost the flavor. For sweetener, I'm gonna use this Nestle sweetened milk. I have some coconut milk, sea moss, of course, which is the star of the show. I have some raw peanuts. I have a few cubes of ice, nutmeg for additional flavor with the vanilla, and here I have some chia seed soaking. Basically, that's what I'm going to use, and this is how I do it. It's very simple. Just grab your blender, plug it in, and let's rumble. And I'm going in with the ice. And then the chia seed. Peanuts, sea moss, the coconut milk, vanilla, water. I'm gonna pour the sweetener in. Going in with the rum. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video with a friend. It's another recipe idea. If you're new to Stir Taste Adjust, please subscribe, ring the bell so you'll be notified when I post videos every week. These videos will be showing you how I cook Caribbean, or more specifically, Jamaican. On Stir Taste Adjust, I cook real food, mostly plant-based, and not a lot of meat. Also guys, follow me on all these social media networks. We will definitely learn and grow together. I love the consistency. It's not too thick, and what I noticed with sea moss, once you put it to rest, it just gets thicker. So this is cool. I like this. I like this consistency. Yeah, this is perfect. So guys, remember how I showed you in the beginning how I gave my husband a sample of the molasses mixed sea moss and all them good as ingredients there, and he never liked it? Well, I want to see what his reaction will be like with this one. So let's see. Hey, here.
Baby, that's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. This is delicious. It's creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Has a nice texture. It's thick. It's nice and slushy. Yeah, this is good.
Right, thank you.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah, guys, that was definitely a 2 thumbs up. So that's it for us today, but I'll see you again very, very soon with another recipe idea. Wow, good. Peace.